Sunrise over Tuineje. The sun emerges above the Atlantic horizon. The ocean's limpid surface might seem monotonous, but all you need to do is look below to behold a spectacle of marine life. Fuerteventura's waters boast the greatest biological wealth of the Canary Islands. It has the archipelago's largest marine shelf and is, therefore, home to greater biodiversity. And this means larger fish stocks. The European Union has recognized the quality and value of Fuerteventura's waters. It has declared the marine area on the southern leeward side of the island a special area of conservation. The Playas de Sotavento SAC include the southern half of the Tuineje coast. This area has some of the archipelago's best seagrass meadows, created by a marine plant known as slender seagrass, which grows on shallow areas of the sandy seabed. These areas are essential to the reproduction of marine life, which means that conserving them ensures the maintenance of fish stocks as they serve as spawning ground and refuge for juveniles. Seagrass meadows in the Canary Islands are on the decline, which is why their preservation is essential. The fishermen of Tuineje have shouldered their responsibility in conserving this marine habitat. The Gran Tarajal Fishermen's Guild continues to maintain a clear commitment to sustainable artisanal fishing. These seafarers are strong defenders of conserving the marine environment and are convinced that responsible fishing is the answer. In order to ensure the future, they make efforts to prevent overfishing, something that has destroyed marine life as well as the very future of fishing in many areas.